I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you this style, the called boohoo braids, this half braids. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm just parting my client's hair, and she's got very silky hair, so I do use the gel. I'm gonna put it in the top corner, so the right or left. The gel helps me get a grip of the hair and makes the braid a bit more smooth. The braid, she's using ombre gray. So as you can see, I'm just attaching the extensions to her hair. If you want to see how I do my braids, you can comment down below and I'll do a video to show you how to attach extensions to hair. Just braiding 101. And when I'm done with the braids, as you can see at the ends, I take a little bit of the extension and I tie a little knot just at the end just to hold it in place, otherwise it's gonna unravel. down to the last braid, and then I'm going to show you what I do to curl the extensions, because she asked to have her braids curled at the end to have a curly wavy look. Keep watching. To achieve this look, I used 5 packets of ombre Xpression hair and just gel. So here's the finished look. As you can see, it's a bit bulky, so I'm gonna braid them in probably 4 large braids, which is after that I'm gonna dip it in hot water. There you go. It's a bit hard to do large braids, but I got it in the end. Yay. So here we are with the last large braids. Finally, I got there. So I'm gonna take her outside and dip the large braids in hot water, which is what is gonna give it the curls. Just try to be careful, as that is boiling hot water. After I'm done with the hot water, I'll unravel it with, you can see the curls now, so pretty. And that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Please comment down below on what you would like to see next, and thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.